Right, we're here at the Acoustic Kitchen. Welcome, everybody. If you haven't been here before, you're welcome just the same. I have Eric Fleming here. He's a man I know for a long time with me, and big interest in all kinds of folk music and other things as well. So he's going to entertain us today with a few of his own favourites. And you start off with what, Eric?
By saying it's great to be back in Ballier. Thanks for the invite. The last time I played in Ballier with Liam was in a box-with bedroom on Courtine Avenue, 1969 or 70.
Oh, that's a long time ago.
But he's still
I'm not that old.
Still hailing hearty anyway. This is a song called Mick Ryan's Lament.
Who actually wrote this song? Do you know? I've heard you singing it before. It's brilliant.
Now that you've asked me on camera, I can't remember, but
Right, it doesn't matter anyway.
I'll send it back into the station next week. It's an American guy. And
he'll probably ring us and let us know.
Yeah, he probably will. No, it's written. It's only written in the last couple of years. I heard one night Jed Foley and the great fiddle player Kevin Burke.
Oh yeah.
They were playing a concert in the Knoll, and the song blew me away. And what blew me away was in the break. More was that they were selling a CD and it was on it.
Great.
So that's where I got it from.
Well, the way you go, and I'll do my best maybe to destroy it on you.
It's based on the Gary Hall. It's based on the Gary Hall March.
Right.
Oh, my name is Mick Ryan, and I'm lying here still in a lonely grave where I was killed by a red man defending his native land, in a place that they call Little Bighorn. And I swear I could not see the irony as I rode with that 7 cavalry. We thought that we fought for the land of the free, as we rode from Fort Lincoln that morning, and the band that played at Garryowen, brass was shining as the flags were flowing, and I swear if I had only known, I'd have died with my brother in Vicksburg. My brother and me, how we barely escaped from the hell that was Ireland in 48. 2 angry young men who learned how to hate, as we made our escape to America. And we cursed all our brothers who fought and bled in their bloody coats of their bloody red. But the sun never shines on the bloody dead of those who go fighting for empires. But we made a better life somehow, in a land where no man had to bow. And it seemed right then and it seemed right now that Paddy would die for the Union. myself somehow got turned around. I had stolen a dream that I thought that I found. Now I never will see the holy ground, for I turned into something I hated. Now I'm haunted by that carry-on. Brass was shining as the flags were flowing, and I swear if I had only known, I'd have died with my brother in Vicksburg. And the band that played that carry-on, brass was shining as the flags were flowing, and I swear if I had only known, I'd have died with my brother in Vicksburg. Lovely.
Right, I'm going to leave Eric alone for the few minutes to carry on there, because I'm not going to play with him for the next couple of things. So take it away there, Eric.
This Robbie Warren song. Summer's a pleasant time, flowers of every colour, the water runs down the hill, and I think of my true lover. I walking, still weary, sleep I can't get near, for thinking of my dearie, I walking on. When I sleep I dream, when I wake I'm easy, I dream of my own true love, and I think about my dearie, I walking, still weary, sleep I can't get near, for thinking of my dearie, I walking on. Oh, lately night comes on, all the labour sleeping, I dream of my own true love, and I blare my airy greeting, I walking, still weary, sleep I can't get near, for thinking of my dearie, I walking on. Oh, her mother loves the lass, her father loves her better, I love that lass myself. Oh, but man, I cannot get her, I walking, still weary, sleep I can't get near, for thinking of my dearie I walking on. Oh, summer's a pleasant time, flowers of every colour, the water runs down the hill, and I think of my true lover. I walking on, walking, still weary, sleep I can't get near, for thinking of my dearie I walking on. Shinawell. How do I know my youth is all spent? My get up and go has got up and went. In spite of it all, I'm able to grin and think of the places my get up has been. Old age is golden, so I've heard it said. Sometimes I wonder as I crawl into bed, I put my teeth in a cup and me wig in the drawer, and I hope my glass eye doesn't roll on the floor. I sleep in my vision, I say to myself, is there anything else I should put on the shelf? First and then only, oh, I surely am vexed, but I'll still stick around to see what happens next. How do I know my youth is all spent? My get up and go has got up and went. In spite of it all, I'm able to grin and think of the places my get up has been. When I was young, my slippers were red, I could kick up my heels right over my head. When I got older, my slippers were blue, but still I could dance the whole night through. Ah, but now that I'm older, my slippers are black. I huff to the shops and I huff my way back. But never you mind, I don't mind at all. I'd rather be huffing than not puff at all. How do I know my youth is all spent? My get up and go has got up and went. In spite of it all, I'm able to grin and think of the places my get up has been. So I get up each morning and dust down my wits, open the paper and I read the obits, and if I'm not there, well, I know I'm not dead. So I ate a big breakfast and I'll go back to bed. How do I know my youth is all spent? My get up and go has got up and went. In spite of it all, I'm able to grin and think of the places my get up has been. How do I know my youth is all spent? My get up and go has got up and went. In spite of it all, I'm able to grin and think of the places my get up has been. Who's old? Who's old anyhow? Who's old anyway? It's a song I got. I got an old album by Tom Paxton, and I was digging through it. And actually, when Liam and I used to play, we played a few songs off this album and a few Tom Paxton songs. And Jesus, I don't know where this song jumped out of. So, Jesus, I don't remember hearing that song in years. In fact, I didn't really remember it too well. And it referred to Cisco Houston, who's one of the young song heroes in the folk song movement in America, and it played a lot with Woody Guthrie, so I actually liked the song. So I learned it there a while ago. So it's called fairly well Cisco, I suppose. While walking through a railroad yard on a cold and rainy night, I saw a string of old boxcars, they pulled out of sight. Then I heard a whistle blowing It was as sad as anything. It made me think of Cisco and the songs we used to sing. Fare thee well, Cisco, fare thee well. We're here for just a while, we're gone for many a mile. Oh, fare thee well, Cisco, fare thee well. Now we ramble down the highways of this great and mighty land. He sang the songs of what he saw, he sang for every man. Well, he had no truck with nonsense, and he sang it straight and plain. And he got his greatest music from the whistling of a train. Fare thee well, Cisco, fare thee well. We're here for just a while, we're gone for many a mile. Oh, fare thee well, Cisco, fare thee well. I dreamed that me and Cisco, we were standing in this town. The good clean air was in our lungs and the sun came shining down. Well, he had no truck with nonsense, he sang it straight and plain. And he got his greatest music from the whistling of the train. Fare thee well, Cisco, fare thee well. We're here for just a while, gone for many a mile. Oh, fare thee well, Cisco, fare thee well. Now he rambled out with Woody just to see what he could see. But when the fascist tide came up, they rambled out to sea. Now everywhere they went, they made many, many friends. And Cisco's friends will tell you, you never see their kind again. Fare thee well, Cisco, fare thee well. We're here for just a while, we're gone for many a mile. Oh, fare thee well, Cisco, fare thee well. Oh, fare thee well, Cisco, fare thee well.
Do you want to introduce it?
Oh yeah, well anyway, yeah. Well, it's the downfall of Paris. But at the time we learned this, we didn't know this, but I heard one night on Lyric about 15 years ago that after the Battle of Waterloo, Wellington went bananas when he heard one of the bands going by playing this, one of the British bands. And apparently they'd taken it from the French, from their marching tunes, and he was very, very upset about it. But anyway, since called the Downfall of Paris.
Right.
I'm sure it has a French name somewhere along the line.
Yeah.
Yeah. Palawan from Cork, Sean O'Halloran. It's been a long time coming, Sean. Here she goes. Far away across the ocean, beneath an Indian star, lived a little dark-eyed maiden on the coast of Malabar. In the harbour where we anchored, I could see her shy and sweet, with a blossom on her bosom and the wild waves at her feet. I can see the crowded city, palm trees green and tall, and the night we danced together inside those city walls. She made a little wistful glance as she looked out on the bay, saying, if you really love me, why do you go away? I must go, my little dark eyes, I must go, my Indian star, but I'll come again and love you on the coast of Malabar. In my dreams I oft-times wander to that far-off Indian sea, and the nights we spend together, they come back again to me. I can see the crowded city, the palm trees on the shore, but the little dark-eyed maiden, she's there no more, no more. So fare thee well, my dearest dark eyes, fare thee well, my Indian star. I would come again and love you on the coast of Malabar.